It's another beautiful day.
Are you ready? Wow!
A big mysterious Easter egg. Let's crack it open.
Orange.
Wow, it's full of parts.
It's my time!
Let's build something. First, make a strong chassis.
Amazing! Bravo!
Add the round wheels.
It's amazing!
Put on the cool body and the nice cab.
Look at this! Nice! Whoa! It's a disappear! Yeah! Wow! I got it! Good job!
Finally, attach the big digging bucket.
I like it!
The excavator is
I got
ready.
it!
Excavator.
Let's paint it with bright colors and head out.
Wow! Woo!
Yellow.
Here we go!
What's next? What happened?
Oh, there's a pile of sand in the middle of the road.
Oh my god!
No!
Dump truck comes by.
Huh?
Let's work together to move it.
Hey!
Dump truck.
Very nice. I like it.
Great job. The road is all clean.
Tractor.
Tractor looks worried. How can it carry the cabbages?
Hey!
Excavator helps and puts them safely in the trailer.
I like it.
Thank you very much.
Let's go!
Uh-oh, a little puppy falls into the water.
Oh, no!
Yeah.
Excavator quickly rescues it and brings it to safety. Excavator, you're amazing.
Goodbye.
Hey guys, if you like our videos, don't forget to subscribe. Bye-bye. See you next time.